Afaq Sun Series. Afaq Sun Series English. Afaq Sun Series new science. Age 5 to 6. Contents. Theme. Ourselves. Unit. Our body. Senses. Page number 1, page number 4. Theme. Animals. Unit. Farm animals, wild animals, birds and insects. Farm animals page 7, wild animals page 10, birds and insects page 12. Theme. Plants. Unit 6, plants page number 15. Theme. Environment. Unit 7, living and non-living things page 18. Theme. Food, nutrition and health. Unit 8, healthy habits page number 21. Unit 9, healthy food page number 23. Theme. Materials. Unit 10, materials page number 26. Unit 11, hard and soft page 28. Theme. Machines, force and motion. Unit 12, pull and push page number 30. Unit 13, movements page number 32. Unit 14, tools page number 35. Theme. Energy. Unit 15, sound page number 37. Unit 16, light page number 38. Unit 17, colors page number 40. Theme. Earth and space. Unit 18, day and night page number 42. Unit 19, the seasons page number 44. Unit 20, water page number 46. Unit 21, air page number 47.